I'm going to show you how we turned a Notion page into a, you could say social media management tool and post from this Notion database right onto Pinterest. So let's check out the Notion database. This is quite a simple one. We have 3 columns. We have in progress, ready for post and done. And if you click on ready for post, you can see there's an image, a logo, and also the title. And if you go on this Pinterest spot, we can see the logo did not got posted yet. And if we now run this automation, we click on run once, we can see that things are happening. And if we go back on our Pinterest page, we hit refresh and we wait until it's finished refreshing. We can see that the logo got posted with the text. Really nice, without opening Pinterest whatsoever. And if we go back into an Notion database, we see that the post moved automatically from ready for post to done, because it's done, it got posted. So how does this automation work? This automation watches database items in Notion. And if you click on it, we can see some more details. Then it has a filter, and this filter makes sure that the name is ready for post, so the name of the column. So if the property is not in the column ready for post, it won't use it. And it then uses the create a pin module in in make.com to create this pin, sends it to Pinterest, and then in the end updates a database item in the same database in Notion by changing the status to done. So status is the name of the column, so it just moves the property to done. And that's it. That's how you can build a very simple tool with Notion and make.com to post your content to Pinterest. If you're interested in a more detailed version where we also go really through each of the simple steps, check out our Patreon down below. Thank you so much. Bye.